All right, today we're gonna bring some impact socket tools. All right, these are some adapters that we have. We have one half here, and we have here. It tells you the numbers here: 3/8, and then this one is about 1/4. If you guys can see it, we have a side angle for the impact if you can't get a certain area. So we're gonna put it together and see how it works.
Now we're changing it. The socket that we have was too loose, so we're gonna do it with a bigger one. This is a 1/2 one. Put it right there. It's good. Now this one is really tight in there. It's not gonna move anywhere anymore. We're gonna start testing it. It's already in all the way. Really good. You just unscrew it. There you go. Simple as that. And this one is for your tip, like if we're gonna do a screw. When we're gonna screw something in an angle, you put this one. If you can't get in a place that's really tight, just pop it in there. You put your adapter here for the screws, and we're gonna get a regular Phillips screw. So if you were in a tight space and you can't reach, like for example, like underneath here, you just grab her and you go slow. Screw is in, and you pop it out. That's out. They come handy all the time. You don't use it a lot, but when you need it, it comes really handy.